Hi, baby. Um, Due to the terms of my sentencing, I am living in a cell that has frequent flooding when there's rain, and it's my duty to get up and prevent flooding or deal with flooding, depending. Last night, I prevented flooding. There was sufficient time to manage everything, but it meant I was getting up every 2 hours and checking the compound for flooding and putting down barriers and drying out the recyclable barriers that we have to soak up more water if it came. So I'm a bit discombobulated today. I was up 4 times. Yeah, it's not too bad, but still. I almost wish I was in the army. It'd feel easier maybe. Not really. I'd have someone yelling at me constantly. Last Sunday today. The next Sunday that I get to have is with you when I am home. Well, I'm going to have to get on with my day, and later today we'll get to chit chat, which is really nice. And so I will look forward and miss you a lot. Until then, bye, baby, and I love you. Bye.